We hope that the war will end soon, but there is no compromise in building a new Sudan. That is, everyone should know. Myself, I'm a 34 years old boy coming from a very rural, let's say, area. I'm a nomadic guy. So why am I here? It's because of the failure of those our ancestors. So our message is that for the Sudanese people, now it's the time that we become equals. It is the perfect time, and this war should be the last war for Sudan, and it's enough. 70 years we're killing each other, and my message here for every Sudanese: forget the division. We are one. They try to tell you that Arab, non-Arab, they are coming from where? We are Sudanese. We could build this. You all can build this, but we need to compromise for one another.